Welcome to the new video of Attachment Studios. And for today, I will actually make some gravity system for characters. And this is not devlog. I think um, we need to do something. Okay, so first of all, we need to actually write. Let's just write anything, just like I think I will write just main.lua because we haven't named this project yet. Well, when I name the project, I actually name it from the name of in the starting I write the name of the project and main.lua, but that's okay. So here I have already created the love game folder and I have main.lua in it. So this is it. So now for the code, I think we need to write the basic codes. Function um, love.load and all the other functions. So I think I will write it by now. So here I have all the three functions and actually that's it. So now I think I will actually do like in function.load I will make some variables like player x and y. Let that be like for me I think I will keep it like 480 and around because this screen is actually 960 pixels plus, so I need to check for that. Now next is player y, so this is y and that I will refer that as hmm, 50 for now. And at last I think I will make a variable gravity which will be equivalent to 0, and that's it for the function love.load. Now we need to go to actually let's start with the body because it's just one line. So here we will write love dot graphics sorry graphics dot circle, and inside that we will write the mode of circle, that is I think it's time. Okay, fill, that might be fill. then its location, so its location might be player X and player Y, and I think it should be of size 10. That might be good. Or if it is 10, then we need to subtract 10 from the edge, because I want this to be in the middle of the screen. Well, this player X may vary according to you, and that's it. Um, Now over here, let's write like 470, and then we can actually see that there will be a circle in the love for Android app, and over here we can see a circle that is just over here, that we can see in the middle of the screen from nowhere. So let's get back into the code, and now let's um, write like player Y is equals to layer Y plus gravity, and this will actually say like player needs to move Y, that will be getting larger and larger, so the player will be going down when gravity is added to player Y. And for gravity, we actually need to write some more codes for gravity, because gravity is 0. So for here we will write gravity equals gravity plus a value for gravity, that might be constant. It might be good to do like 0.5, and we can set that to, if the target, that is land, its X location, actually we shouldn't my X location, but I think according to X for Y location, if those are same, then we can actually do like we can actually do like this will actually just stop over there. We can set gravity to 0, and then it will be certain that the player stops. But when we try this actually works quite well, and I need to do something for testing. So here it is. um, Here it's falling. We can see that it's actually accelerating, and that's simple. So if we, let's assume there is a straight line as a ground, so let's draw that ground. If love dot graphics dot so let's do like love dot graphics dot draw line, is it or not? We need to check. So let's take 2 points, 500 and wait. We can just do like 0 comma 500, and for x2 I think this might be like 960 comma 500. For now I am actually making the y constant, and I actually need to check if it's actually doing something. Okay, there is nothing like draw line. I think that's just line. uh, that's the problem, that the code might be a little bit wrong. But if we are correct, then this happens. But now this is not a rigid body for now, and I don't know how to make it rigid body, but I know how to make it like ground. And for say collisions, for collisions I can say like I will add if um hmm, uh, actually let's write like uh, we will actually make some new variable, so that will be this. Actually this doesn't matter at all. So over here this will be like plain. Let's do that like 500 only. We will keep that same. And here we have not even completed if. Now I think I will change that to landing y, and even this to landing y. So now our next task is to do like if player y um, let's do like um, not, because in some games there can be like gravity might be switched, or here I don't know. There are games in which gravity sides get changed, but that's okay. So if not, we need to write a bracket over here, because without bracket it doesn't work. Equals, and then I forgot. Okay, then I remember once again. Okay, uh, landing y, then minus, let's say minus 10, because we want that it will actually not overlap with center. So I think this might be 20, because the calculations, the point for the sprite starts uh, starts in the I forgot, starts in the top left corner. So that is the case, and now we need to write the another else option, where we will just leave that empty and write else gravity equals 0. Now I know that might be like no bouncing, no physics, but still we have some physics, that is gravity, and that's it. So let's check. And no, I need to check what's the problem, but is it actually not checking? If that is the case, still okay. Let's do like this. We might fix that later. Let's just check if that works or not. I think it's stopping for a second, and then because it has to do something like follow the code, we will do that like 0.5, because the value will be much less, and then actually it might get fixed, because it's very slow. No, what's the problem? I need to check. What's the problem, ball? Let's actually switch the code. Actually, this is detecting if this is true or not, and by then it's actually just switching the place or. Hmm. Let's do like cut, and let's do like place, paste. Well, okay, that's a problem. No worry. And over here we will write gravity equals 0. That's it. Let's try again. And I guess there is a problem because it might be like in dt functions it's not sure that what will be exactly the location, and that's it. Okay, so let's change some codes. Player y greater than landing x. I hope this works. um okay, well, this works. So it might be like because of dt it was like not getting equal, because after some time dt might get like the number, and it is a number with dot 9999999 and whatever in the ending, and that creates a lot of confusion for the game, and the actual value is actually not gained, and it's actually evaluating actual value. We can actually change that by adding the floor, but that's okay for now. Well, by the way, this video was asked by Gabriel GV. Again, thanks for subscribing us earlier. So I hope if you have any more query, then you can also ask us. And I think someone has sent something in YouTube, but never mind. That's the end of this video. Thanks. And also thanks to my subscribers.